Hello and welcome. What should you do if the power button on your Oppo A15 is broken? Where should you run? How much will it cost to fix? Stop! No need to panic. I'll show you a completely free way to restart and power off your phone without pressing the broken power button even once. I can assure you this method works perfectly. A quick note before we begin. Depending on your Android version, your phone's menu may not look exactly the same as mine. But is that really a problem? Of course not. You'll easily find the corresponding options because the overall settings logic is the same on all devices. Let's get started.